Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can locate or move already installed games on the EA application. So as an example, I have my Apex Legends installed to my computer right here, and I want to simply locate and move this specific folder. Now to do that, what you want to do is to go ahead and navigate through the browse section, and from here you then want to find a free application to download. Now the reason why we're doing this is that we are looking for the downloads path of the EA application, and to do that you can just click on the downloads button, and from here you will then go ahead and see the default install location onto your computer. In our case, or in my case, it's going to be the D drive and this specific application or game name right here. Now let's just go ahead and navigate through our D drive, which is going to be this one, and inside we can then go ahead and look for our Apex Legends application, which is going to be this. Now what you can do is to go ahead and copy this specific folder, and from there you have successfully located and moved already installed games from the EA application. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.